In this video we will be installing or assembling an actuator for a CSE pneumatic diaphragm valve. Begin by sliding the O-ring over the piston, O-ring over the bracket assembly, and O-ring inside the bracket assembly. One last O-ring inside of the actuator housing, and follow up by lubricating all O-rings. Inside, outside on the bracket, outside of the piston, insert piston into bracket, spring into piston, finally tooling piece. And then our next step is going to be to lubricate the inside of the actuator housing along with the O-ring on the actuator housing. Secure housing over spring and tooling, and at this point we're going to need a press in order to finish assembly.
Daarbij als je